Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, scholars and dignitaries, welcome to another episode. Welcome to my world. There was a farmer that grew an excellent quality of corn. Every year he won the award in the county fair for the best grown corn. One year, a newspaper reporter interviewed him and learned something very interesting about how he grew it. The reporter learned that the farmer shared his best seed corn with his neighbors. How can you afford to share your best seed corn with your neighbors when they are entering their corn in the competition against you every year? The reporter asked. Why, sir, said the farmer, don't you know? The wind picks up pollen from the ripening corn and swirls it from field to field. If my neighbors grow inferior corn, cross-pollination would steadily degrade the quality of my corn. The farmer said, if I am to grow good corn, I must help my neighbors grow good corn too. So it is with our lives. Those who want to live a meaningful and joyous life must help enrich the lives of others. For the value of a life is measured by the lives it touches. And those who choose to be happy must first help others find happiness. For the welfare of each of us is dependent upon the welfare of all. Hey, be safe, be well, and may God bless.